it's very important to learn the use of the parenthesis. For example, as early we have learned the addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and exponential. For example, if I'm interested to add the a1 plus a2, and then I want to divide it by the value given in an a3. If I do it in a simple way, like you can see that equal a plus 1 plus a2 divided by a3. So according to simple mathematical rule, it will not add the a1 a2 first, but instead of adding it first, it will divide a2 by a3, and then it will plus that answer with a1. So in this case, a2 is equal to 20 and a3 is equal to 2. So 20 divided by 2, the answer is 10, and 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Similarly, in a second case, when we use the parenthesis, you see that the value given in a1, a2, a3 are same. But now we are interested to add the value of a1 and a2 first, and then divide that value on the a3. So in this case, it will add the 10 plus 20, which is equal to 30, and divide by 2. The answer will be equal to 15. If you do it without the use of the parenthesis, the answer is 20, and if we are doing it with the use of the parenthesis, the answer is 15. Now let's see how we can do it in MS Excel. Look, in MS Excel I have entered the value in a1, that is the value 10, in a2 it is 20, and a3 that is 2. So you can see the same values here also. First, if I do it simply without the use of the parenthesis, so click on a1 plus a2 and then divide by a3. The answer is 20. Reason for this answer 20 is that it first divide the a2 by a3 and then it plus it. Now let's do the same practice but with the use of the parenthesis. A1 plus a2 and then divide by a3. Now the difference between the first and second formula is the use of the parenthesis. Once I have entered the given cells, now if I press the enter button, now the answer is 15. Why this answer is different than the first one? Because in first case it divide the a2 by a1 and then plus the answer with a1, while in the second case it add it, because the according to maths rule, first it perform the action that is given inside the parenthesis. Similarly, if we are interested to multiply a1 plus a2 with a3, so if we do it in a simple way like a1 plus a2 multiplied by 3, so according to maths rule, first it will multiply the a2 with a3 and then it will add the answer with a1. So a2 and a3, 20 multiplied by 2 is equal to 40 plus 10, answer is equal to 50. So in this case it will first multiply then add. But once we use the parenthesis, in case of parenthesis, it will perform the action given in the parenthesis. Like in this case we can see that it will first add the value given in a1 and a2, that is 20 plus 10 is equal to 30, and then multiply by a3, and a3 is 2, so the answer is 60. So the difference between this two equation is the use of the parenthesis. Now let's do it in MS Excel. How we do it? In first case I am not using the parenthesis, so select a1 plus a2 and then multiply by a3. Now the answer is 50 because it first multiply a2 with a3 and then it add the value given in A1. Now again I'm repeating the same formula, but this time I'm using the parenthesis. A1 plus A2 now multiply by A3. Now this time answer is the 60. The answer is difference. The difference between this answer is because of the use of the parenthesis. Similarly, you can use it for the subtraction. If I'm interested to deduct the A1 from the A2 and then I want to divide it by A3, if I do it in this way, it will give me a wrong answer. So I should then use the parenthesis for A1 minus A2. If I do it without the parenthesis, the answer is, you can see, it will first divide A2 by A3, that is 20 divided by 10 is equal to 10. Now the answer 10 will be deducted from the A1, that is equal to 0. So you can see that it will first divide and then subtract. But once I use the parenthesis, you can see that it will first subtract the values given in the parenthesis. So A1 minus A2 is 10 minus 20, that is equal to minus 10 divided by 2. The answer is equal to minus 5. So in this case, first it will subtract and then it will divide. So let's see how we do it in MS Excel. For example, A1 minus A3 divided by A2. The answer is 0 as given in the PowerPoint slides. And similarly, if I copy this formula here and I use the parenthesis, the difference between this formula is the difference between formula is the use of the parenthesis. Now the answer is 5, because if you double click on this cell, where the cell will get active, and it will show that what action is performed in the given cell. So you can see that A1 minus A2 divided by A3. Now the answer is 5. Similarly, I will also do the calculation of the exponential. If you are interested to first add the value given in A1 and A3, this time I'm excluding the A2 value just to make the example very much simple. So first if I'm interested to add value A1 with A3 and then I want to take a square. So if I do it in a simple way, according to maths rule, it will first take the power of this A3, the 2 power 2 is equal to 4, and then it will add with the 10, so the answer will be 14. While I'm interested to first add this value and then take the square as a whole, so I have to use the parenthesis like this. In this case, we are going to add first the value given between the A1 and A3, that is 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, and the power of the 12, if I'm taking power 2, the answer will be 144. You can see there's a huge difference. So it's very important that you learn the use of the parenthesis. Now let's do it in an MS Excel. For example, if I do it in a simple way, that A1 plus A3, I already teach you how to take a power. Press the shift plus 6, I mean a cap, and then you are interested to take a power 2, so write 2 here. The answer is 14. But if you want to, no, this is wrong. If you are interested to first add the value given in A1 and A3 and then you want to take a power as a whole, so this answer is then wrong. So how we can do it? First, we are supposed to take these values in parentheses. So A1 plus A2, close the parenthesis, and then again shift 6 means a cap, and then take a power 2. Now the answer is 144. So this is how you learn that importance, the significance of the parenthesis. It is of a highly significance, because when we will be calculating